Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2007 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be replacing the front rotors and also the front brake pads. This also works for the 2007 all the way to 2014. We're going to be using the jack that came with the truck. Just in case you don't know where it is, if you open the back door right here, it's located underneath right here. The jack and also the tools. So what we have to do first is make sure you put the e-brake just in case, and we're going to put the jack. If you can release the lug nuts, but not all the way, just release all the pressure that you can right now, and then use the jack, and then you remove all the lug nuts. All right, after releasing pressure on these lug nuts, you can already use the jack. I put it right here on the chassis, and then using tools. Just turn. Now that the truck is up in the air, we can already release the lug nuts. All right, now we can just remove the rim and tire. If you want, you can put it underneath the truck just for more safety. All right, we have to remove the caliper. To remove the caliper, we have to remove this bolt that goes right here using a 19mm socket, and then there's another one that's right here, also 19mm. These are sometimes hard to get off, but you can use a ratchet. If it's hard, you can use a pipe, like something like this. So I'm going to show you in the video. Okay, I'm going to put the pipe inside the ratchet, and hopefully this works. Okay, it wasn't too bad. All right, this one's loose already. We're going to do the same one. We're going to do the same thing for the one on the bottom. Okay, it wasn't too bad, this one either. Okay, now that we removed those two bolts, this part is already loose. We can already pull it out, and just make sure you put it somewhere safe where it doesn't just hang. So right there is good. Yeah, put it right here. All right, at this point, you can already remove the brake pads and remove the other one as well. There, these are the two brake pads. They're still good, but I'm going to replace them anyways. If you're just replacing the brake pads, so you can just put the brake pads in, and you have to use a C-clamp to push the piston all the way inside. In my case, I'm going to replace the rotor as well. So if you just have to replace the brake pads, just put the new brake pad in. Use a C-clamp to push the piston in. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I have this C-clamp right here. What you can do is, using the old brake pad, you can just put it here and we're going to do this. Let's do this side first to push the piston all the way inside. I don't know if you can tell, it's going inside. So okay, now let's do the other side. You see the difference? Okay, now that the piston's all the way inside, you can already put the new brake pads in. Put the new brake pads in and then just put the piston back and just follow all the same instructions backwards to put everything back together. If you need to remove the rotor, then continue watching the video. Now we have to remove this guy right here. So we have to remove these two big ones, also using the 19mm socket. This one right here and the other one right here on the bottom. All right, to remove the two on the bottom, they're a little bit more tricky. I suggest you turn on the truck and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. That way you can have more access, more space on the back to work on. So let me show you. Let me show you the difference. Now from here, we have more space to work on without hitting the fender. Okay, I'm gonna try first without the pipe, see if I can. No, it's strong. Use the pipe. There. Wow, this was hard. Okay, now we do the one in the bottom. And there, we can already pull this part out. Now we're going to turn on the truck and move this back to where it was. That way we can see everything better. Right there. Now using a T30 Torx, we're going to remove this bolt right here. After removing it, now you can already pull this part out. There. So this is the new rotor on the right and the new brake pads. Those are the old ones. You can see the difference. And now we're gonna put them back on. All right, now we're going to put the rotor. Make sure this little hole goes with this hole, so you can put the Torx. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, right there. Now we're putting this one back using the T30. Okay, right there. All right, this is the model number for the brake pads, just in case you need it. I'm still going to put a link down below in the description where you can buy the brake pads. And same thing goes for the rotor. I'm going to put a link down below for this one as well, just in case you need to buy it there. Okay, we're putting this part. Let's put it here inside. And I'm gonna put the bolt in. Now the one on the bottom. Okay, yeah, just make sure you tie it all the way. Okay, right there. And now it's time to put the brake pads. All right, I'm putting this one right here. And this one right here. Right there. Now it's time to put the caliper. Now use the ratchet with the 19mm to tighten. Alright guys, we finished this part already. Caliper is done, brake pads are changed, rotor is there. So now it's time to put the tire on. Alright, now at this point you can remove the jack. After removing the jack, you can go ahead and tighten all the lug nuts. Alright guys, as simple as that. Now you know how to replace the brake pads, the rotors, and how to remove the tire. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you think. Let me know if this fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Peace.